Hey guys, welcome to my final day using the Tutti Frutti Sweet products. This is the the Fruit Basket stamp set. Here's a piece of Whisper White, and here is that card panel and envelope from the pack I've been showing with the last several cards. Again, I think it's 12 envelopes and card bases for free if you choose this product with a $50 purchase. I am bringing in the Tutti Frutti washi tape. I've been wanting to use that. So this card's going to be very quick, very simple, as you can tell from the time of the video. It's probably my shortest video in history ever between both channels. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of start a little bit lower than halfway, I guess. It depends on what end you're looking at, since it is diagonal, and I'm just placing the washi tape down, and I'm just going in order. If you have a lot of washi tape, this is a great way to use it. So I really like this design. I've done this before with washi tape. This is also great if you have a lot of pattern paper scraps. Just trim it down different widths and adhere it to a card. So while I'm doing this, and once I'm done, I will fold it on itself so it doesn't come up. But it is celebration. That means until March 31st, when you sign up if you want to sign up for Stampin' Up, you do earn 2 free stamp sets. Also, if you just make a purchase of at least $50, you do earn free product of your choice in the Celebration catalog. The Celebration catalog also has choices with a $100 purchase, some dies, which is really cool. And that is till March 31st. Remember, if you do place an order with me and you use the hostess code and your order is at least $50, you will receive a free gift. If you are a new customer, you will automatically receive the catalogs. So I think that's what I've been wanting to say. If your order is over $150, don't use the hostess code. You are your own hostess, and you still will receive a free gift. So let me know if you have any questions about that. So here I am just folding the washi tape on itself just to add a little bit. Make sure it's more secure so it doesn't accidentally pop up, because washi tape is not as tacky as typical tape. I'm looking at, this is the DSP, I'm looking at the coordinating colors on the back of my package, and I am using Berry Burst, and I'm just stamping it to the side, making sure it matches, and I'm going to go ahead and stamp it right above that washi tape. This is one of the new end colors that came out this past year. I'm going to go ahead and use my Stampin' Dimensionals and pop up this panel, and then adhere the panel to my card base. And then I go ahead and bring in the Tutti Frutti adhesive backed sequins. You get 5 sheets of sequins. I'm going to be bringing in the Lemon Lime Twist, which matches the washi tape perfectly. Any of these would have been fine, but I did like the Lemon Lime Twist. These are the ones I used last time. And just adhere 3 to the card, and that will complete this card. So really quick, I hope you guys enjoyed the cards I used with the Tutti Frutti Suite. I will be back with a new stamp set that is in the Occasions catalog soon, so stay tuned for that. Let me know if you have any questions about ordering, and let me know if you're interested in joining Stampin' Up, and I can send you some information. Alright guys, bye!